guys, it's me Flo. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do graphic design and digital art related videos, and if you're interested in that, stay tuned. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about graphic design project ideas that you guys can work on. I know most of us have a lot of free time now because of quarantine. So might as well work on some practice projects. So here are a few ideas that hopefully will be helpful for you guys. The first idea is a brand campaign, and basically a brand origins campaign to be specific. So what you can do is check out an established brand that you really like and go look back into their roots. Sometimes what happens with brands is they kind of drift away from their roots and they go in a different direction, which is fine. But I feel like what would be really cool is to look at their roots and their origins and commemorate and celebrate it and come up with a campaign idea. And that can vary from whatever you like depending on the company. If it's like a clothing brand, you can create merch that commemorates their origins, or jewelry, or let's say maybe if they're like a food company, you can do something that kind of like nods back to their origins. I feel like in this time of uncertainty, nostalgia is a really big thing, so I feel like coming up with a campaign like this can be really cool. And if you put it out there and you have a great idea, you never know, the brand may even notice. So, and it can be a great portfolio piece as well for you guys. Let me take these glasses off, so purpley. Okay, it looks a little bit more yellow now. Okay. And the second idea is redesigning a company logo. I actually did this in my last video. If you want, you can check it out. And I did it for some chocolate bars and some candy bars, and it was a lot of fun. You can choose whatever company you want and redesign their logo. It can be a company, let's say, that maybe you find their logo is not so great and you want to improve it, or it could even be a company that has a pretty decent or a pretty good logo, but you just really want to challenge yourself and push yourself. And honestly, I did this and I feel like it really pushed me to be very creative, because these were already established chocolate companies, so it was very challenging to come up with ideas, and I feel like I had a lot of fun, but it was also challenging, and I think I even improved my logo designing skills as well. And the third idea is, wow, I literally went blank for a second. The third idea is redesigning a packaging. So redesigning a packaging of products, and a good one could be like food packaging. You could do something with a box, or, you know, plastic, for example, like maybe like a chips bag, or even yogurt, whatever product you want. A chocolate bar, I love chocolate, as you can tell if you watched my last video. And yeah, you know, it doesn't even have to be just food. It could be even, say, packaging for makeup or electronics, whatever you can think of. You can go ahead and come up with something cool. And for the fourth idea, I literally forgot, amnesia. The fourth idea, I would say, is creating Sometimes I forget, and I need to do a little dance to remember what I'm even gonna say. Oh god. Okay, so yeah, the fourth idea, creating creating a CD cover or a book cover, a personal CD cover or a book cover. And this can be a really cool personal branding project where you can put your own little flair to the CD cover. Maybe even do the back and come up with fun, quirky quirky song ideas. And this can be really fun to put on your portfolio. It shows your creativity and you can really push it to the edge. And you never know, it can maybe impress a potential employer. So that could be very fun. Or you can even do a book cover. Maybe if you like reading, you can, you know, do a book cover, or you could do a CD cover, whatever your choice is. Or you can even redesign one if you feel like I don't want to do one for myself. Now the fifth idea, you can redesign a homepage for whatever website you like, or even redesign an onboarding for an app. Basically, you know, when you open up the app, the first screen that shows up and maybe the login and all of that. You can maybe even make it cool, add animations and stuff like that. That could be really cool. And it could be for an app that maybe you feel like you feel like oh my gosh, English is hard sometimes. Comment below if you agree. Words can be hard. Yeah, it could be for an app that you feel like can use some improvement, or you feel like you can come up with a better concept, or you can do something for like a big company or for a big brand like Instagram or even Spotify. So I hope these ideas were helpful to you guys, and I hope they kind of inspire you and get your creative juices going to come up with something cool. If you use any of these ideas, I'd like to see what you guys come up with. You can tag me at the designer flow. I hope this was helpful, guys. Have an awesome day.